This is the Casio Epos family. The Casio VR7000 and VR200 Tills work with the Casio Cloud Suite and the Casio Mobile Ordering Solution. An all-in-one solution for your fast-growing business. The flexible and intuitive Casio point-of-sale software is packaged with Casio hardware, built, designed, and optimized with each other in mind to work seamlessly. The Casio VR7000 and VR200 are easy to use. They both have a simple user interface, are quick to set up, and require minimal training. The robust hardware is dust-resistant and splash-proof. There's a low initial investment and low energy consumption, significantly reducing your electricity costs. Casio have a proven track record with over 40 years of expertise, so we know what we're talking about. The systems are flexible to use and reliable from counter to table. With instant printing of orders in the kitchen, the Casio system can keep pace with your demanding business. Casio mobile ordering software runs on Android devices, a solution that grows with your business. Analyze your business in real time with the Casio Cloud Suite. And view graphical reports on any device, even your phone. Track real-time sales, inventory, and easily make day-to-day changes that take effect at the touch of a button. Casio. Discover a simpler, smarter Epos system that runs as fast as your business.